What's the meaning of counterclaim? Counterclaim. Counterclaim.
Counterclaim. Counterclaim. A counterclaim is a legal term used in civil cases where a defendant asserts their own claim against the plaintiff. The defendant essentially accuses the plaintiff of committing a wrong against them, and seeks damages or other remedies as a result. If a counterclaim is successful, it can potentially reduce or eliminate any damages or liabilities that the defendant may face from the plaintiff's original claim. In some cases, a counterclaim can even result in the plaintiff owing money or other compensation to the defendant.